Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we're going to check out the top 5 best mini fridges in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these mini fridges, which one would it be? Leave your reply in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Haier 1.7 cubic feet mini fridge. This is a really wonderful and good looking mini refrigerator that can fit anywhere in your kitchen because of its compact size. From a design perspective, this mini refrigerator features a full width slide out wire shelf that can hold your fruits or vegetables. It also has a half width freezer compartment with ice cube tray and 2-liter bottle storage. Most of the fridges in the market that have wire shelves are rusting after several years of usage, but you don't have to worry about that with this fridge because it is coated with anti-rust paint to ensure that you won't deal with such situations. It might be small, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't have a lot of space for storage. The door shelf of this mini refrigerator is strategically positioned, which means that every section of the door can be utilized. Other than small bottles, you can easily store a bottle of whiskey or any other similarly sized bottles without any problems. The upper shelf has the capacity of storing 2 canned drinks or food, while the bottom shelf can store a container that is twice the size of the canned drinks. This is just incredible. But now, let's talk about the performance and the features. This model features an automatic defrost technology, which means that it employs heating elements within the refrigerator in order to remove the frost. In order to defrost this fridge manually, all you have to do is just turn on the temperature knob, which is positioned in the fridge. When the frost is gone, just turn the temperature knob back and your fridge will start working like it used to. Moreover, it is star energy qualified, which means that it is energy efficient and contains less polluting chemicals. Overall, this is one of the best and most compact mini fridges in the market that has plenty of space for your food and drinks. It will perform really well, and because it is star energy qualified, it means that it is eco-friendly and doesn't use much energy. By now, I think you already know everything about this fridge and how good it is. It's affordable, compact and has a lot of storage space, so I definitely recommend it. Next up, at number 4 we have the Igloo FR326M. This model is very durable, powerful and has all the fundamental features needed to make it one of the best devices that you own. Other than placing it in your kitchen, you can place it in your college dorm, apartment or any other living space because of its compact size. From a design perspective, this mini fridge comes in a black color with a dry erase front door on which you can draw with many board markers. For example, you can draw a grocery list, make many fun drawings, draw the schedule for your upcoming weekend, and this fridge will ensure that you will remember everything. This mini fridge allows you to store many things because of its spacious interior. Moreover, it has adjustable leveling legs that are going to ensure that your fridge will always be leveled evenly even when your floor is not. It also has an adjustable thermostat, 2 full-width interior shelves which offer you great storage options, and also a full-width freezer compartment for having a compact freezer space. But now, let's talk more about the storage space, features and performance. One of the key features is a full-width freezer that is placed in a separate compartment of the fridge. Also, the freezer thermostat is completely adjustable, so you can choose your preferred temperature for ice cream or getting nicely shaped ice cubes. In addition, this model comes with 2 slide-out glass shelves and an ice cube tray, which is a really good addition to the included freezer. The door has 6-unit can rack but also storage for 2 additional drinks. But that's not all. It has 3.2 cubic feet of space, which is more than enough storage area for most of the users in the market. The coolest thing about this mini fridge is the dry erase surface on the door that lets you draw everything you want and will make you more organized than ever. This fridge is also energy efficient despite its powerful cooling system, which is a really good thing. You can store plenty of food or drinks, it will ensure that they are maintained properly and it won't heavily affect your electricity bills. Overall, this is one of the best mini refrigerators that will offer you plenty of capacity for your food and drinks, and it is compact enough to place it anywhere you want. The price is really affordable and you can get an amazing refrigerator that will last for years and will never disappoint you. Moving on, at number 3 we have Midea WHS-65LB1. This is another great mini refrigerator that is really powerful, very durable and very spacious for such a mini device. It is really affordable, compact and it fits everywhere regardless of your living space. From a design perspective, this model's dimensions make it very adjustable and very flexible also, because you can reverse the door or level its legs for placing it in different locations. Moreover, it has a capacity of 1.6 cubic feet, but there are many fundamental components that are included in this fridge, so we will start talking about them right now. This model features mechanical control with a customizable indoor regulator with a temperature range from -2 Celsius to 2 Celsius. In addition, it has integrated racks on its reversible door, the shelf is removable, it has a freezer compartment, and when the layer of frost on its surface reaches 3 to 4 mm, it is recommended to defrost it in order to make this device work as it should. But that's not all. It is Energy Star approved, so it won't use a lot of energy and you won't have to pay a lot for electricity bills despite its 120 volts of power. Furthermore, it features a direct cooling system which ensures that your stored food will be maintained properly and they will be free from any microbial damage. Also, with this technology, it will require less time to cool the interior, which is really good. You can even clean it easily, and that's because it employs a stainless steel covering and adds a lot to the overall hygiene of your home space. It doesn't make too much noise since it features the Whisper Quiet technology that will ensure long years of usage without making you feel uncomfortable. This fridge is perfect for keeping ice, medicine, fruits, snacks and beverages really conveniently, and you can even use it as a bedside table. Overall, this is a wonderful fridge which is energy efficient, durable, and because of its compact size, you can place it anywhere you want. Its creator, the Midea, has been in the market since 1968, so you can't go wrong if you choose their brand since they are known for the high quality product. This model is top notch, and if you decide to purchase it, you won't regret it. Next up, at number 2, we have the Magic Chef MCBR240S1. This mini refrigerator offers large food storage. It is very durable and because of its compact size, it can fit easily even in tight spaces. From a design perspective, it has a stainless steel look accompanied by a black cabinet and wire shelves. It offers 2.4 cubic feet of fridge space and 0.3 cubic feet of freezer space, which is stored in a compact frame. It has 2 wire removable and height adjustable food shelves for keeping everything organized, while the fresh food door shelves provide storage for large or small items in order to efficiently utilize the interior's capacity. The door swings are reversible, so you will have multiple placement options, and with its adjustable leveling legs, this fridge is going to be stable on uneven surfaces too. But now, let's talk about the performance. This mini fridge is equipped with full range temperature controls, which can be used to customize the cooling options based on your preferences. With an indoor can holder, you can place your beverage cans conveniently and you can take an advantage of the reversible door swings, which can be opened from either side, or use the built-in freezer for making ice cubes or stash and enjoy your drinks even more. When it comes to the freezer compartment, using the thermostat control and the manual defrost option, you can control the freshness and temperature of your favorite food. In addition, this mini fridge is energy efficient, which means that it won't use much energy to maintain your food or drinks properly. And this is really good because you won't have to spend much money on your electricity bills despite of its 120 volts of electrical power. Overall, this is perfectly manufactured mini fridge that lets you store plenty of food and drinks. It looks pretty stylish and the price is really low compared to what this fridge has to offer, so you should definitely consider getting this fridge if you are looking for a fridge that will last you for a very long time. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Danby Designer 4.4 cubic feet fridge. This is a very compact and powerful mini refrigerator which comes in plenty of colors and sizes, but today we're going to talk about the one with the 4.4 cubic feet capacity, because I think that this model will be the most convenient one for everyone. From a design perspective, this model comes with 3 shelves, 2 of which are full width and 1 is half width, and all 3 of them are adjustable and made of glass. Moreover, it also has a full-width freezer that performs really well. A surprising thing about this fridge is a can-store beverage dispenser system, which is not often included in mini fridges, so that's a big plus. Now let's make a quick overview of its performance and features. This model features a 2.5 shelf design, which means that it will offer you maximum storage versatility, and you can control the appliance by integrated mechanical thermostat and the semi-automated defrosting system. Moreover, you can also take advantage of the door storage that can store up to 8 cans. But that's not all. If you're looking to place certain types of food or make and store ice cubes, just use the full width freezer section that is placed independently at the top, and you're good to go. Another good thing about this fridge is the Energy Star certification, which means that it won't raise your bills despite its 120 volts of power. And because it features R600A refrigerant, it means that it is eco-friendly and will help our environment. To conclude, this model is a must for any household, office or any living space because it has a classy black finish appearance that is suitable for any decor. It has plenty of room for placing your drinks, food, and it will also produce ice, which can be convenient during hot summer days. The fact that it is eco-friendly, cheap and Energy Star certified makes this fridge one of a kind. So, to conclude, I think that this mini fridge is one of the best mini fridges in the market, and it is worth every single penny. So if you are looking for a mini fridge with a lot of features and a ton of storage space, then the Danby Designer mini fridge is for you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these fridges, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.